Hello. Long time no vlog.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, visit. Ready? Catch!
Hello. Long time no vlog. We haven't seen you guys in a minute. How are you guys? Are you guys doing okay? Are you stressed? Are you tired? I don't think so. You can just call 1-800 Follow Our Adventures. Like and subscribe. How are you?
I'm good.
You chilling? Chilling like a villain? Yeah guys, we've been super busy lately. Super busy with work, and work. So finally get to go out, enjoy the sun. Actually, I was pretty tired this morning. No, I was up before her, but then I got tired, and then she brought me here with a whole lot of Starbucks, and now I'm wired. She's either Snapchatting me or talking about me behind her phone. Oh, and she's doing the selfie. Yes, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself. I'm feeling myself, feeling my. Oh, with those keys.
They're not keys.
Oh, Nordstrom. Those
Nordstrom.
TJ Maxx. Ross.
Max Edition.
Back at it again with the Max Edition. Wait, that's actually your first pair. Get that selfie. Just be like, hey girl. Get that. You just gotta
Look at that hair.
whip it, whip it. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Cover girl, mother. Oh wait, I can't swear. She's so far away from me. You don't want no vitamin D in your life?
I'm getting some vitamin D in my life.
There's so much birds here. Look at all these birds. Like, who said you can just come on the beach and then just hang out? So yeah, guys, I miss vlogging. I miss editing. So hopefully we can get back to it. Start vlogging again. Start doing videos. We're gonna do one, I think, next week. So be sure to hang out with us next week and see what we have in store. But yeah. Thank you guys still for supporting us, and just keep following our adventure and come on adventures with us. And some people think that adventures are like hiking, going to the beach outdoors and whatnot, exploring the mountains. But no, you know, life is an adventure. Adventure is life. So get out there, enjoy life, enjoy what your life has to offer, because it is an adventure. So I just talked to you guys for like 3 minutes and I wasn't even recording. So that was, like I was saying, that was a good 45 to an hour minutes of
To an hour minutes?
45 to an hour minutes of soaking up vitamin D.
45 minutes to an hour.
Yes. 45 minutes to an hour minutes.
What school you went?
Kapolei, woo woo! Eye the hurricanes. But anyways, we're heading home now. And like I told you guys before, but I didn't record, there's a fatty black cloud that was on the way to the beach. And it was sprinkling on us. So now it's time to head home. Look for parking, like we told you guys, but I wasn't recording. We have to look for parking because now everybody's coming home from work and we have to find that street parking.
Street parking life.
Street parking life, but we usually get one because Teddy always finds a parking. I don't know how. But you always do!
Can you put music on?
Fine.
Now!
She's so demanding.
Please.
Well, if you said please, then okay. I did not get any sun today.
For real? You got no color?
I don't know. Oh, kind of. See that tan? Oh.
Oh, I got a little bit.
Oh, there you go. Okay, close out the vlog for me. Oh. You gotta plug. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for coming along with us today for just a little bit. We know that, you know, we haven't been vlogging, but we'll get our stuff together. And yeah. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Oh, here? Here. And subscribe to our channel, and see you guys later.